today's video is on a function which is known as Convert-ExcelRangeToImage, and this function is available in ImportExcel module. The main function or the task which it performs is it will take the or capture the image in an Excel sheet of a particular range and um, convert that range into a JPG file. Okay, and it will save to a particular location. So in this video I'll be discussing how we can use this um, uh, with this function. It is particularly very useful if you want to take snapshot of Excel sheet to use that snapshot, or to use that picture in other projects like in um, PowerPoint, or like other same sort of things. So I'll be showing you what I really means, what I'll be automating. So I'll open this file and I will search for a particular range. For example, suppose I want to take the snapshot from this cell A1 to, suppose, this cell D3. Okay. So what we generally do, I'll be using this snip tool, and from here to here I'll select, and this thing will be created. This image file, or this image, will be captured, and then I will save it on the desktop with any name. Okay, for example, let me give it a test. Okay, test JPG. Let this be test one. Okay. So now we can see that here this okay, this image is saved here and it is in JPG format. So I'll be doing the same thing by using that function, convert uh, convert Excel range to image. Okay. So let's see how we can do it. But for this you need to have Excel installed, otherwise this will not work. Okay, so the prerequisite is you need to have Excel. So first let us do the thing. Prerequisites: import module, and then module name, sorry, import module name, then you know the name of the module, import Excel. Okay, so that it will import the module. Okay. Now what we have to do will be so we'll be using this convert Excel range to image. Then we have to give the path name of the file, which is I have already exported a file, or I have already created a file, Excel file. Okay, so I'll be using that file. So this is the file which I have created. Okay, so let me copy the address of this file, and this address is this. I'll be pasting this, and this is the test Excel file. I'll have to give the address, and this is the test Excel file. After this, we'll have to give the worksheet name of the worksheet, which is here, let me open this file, which is this. I have to give the worksheet name. Worksheet is this. So the worksheet is, by default, if you don't mention the worksheet, by default it will take this sheet 1, and if you have names, then you'll have to mention, you have to use this parameter worksheet name. Okay. Now after this I have to select range, let us select this range from A1 to, let us select this D19. Okay, from A1 to D19. Okay, now you have to mention the destination where you want to save this file. Destination will be on the desktop only. Okay, let this be file test excel 12 dot. I will be saving this in jpg form. Okay, format. Okay, so I have done this thing. First let me close this file. Okay, now let me check. Okay, let me delete this jpg file, and we don't have any jpg file here. Okay, so let me run this command and let's see what happens. Okay, it is working. It's creating. This file is created, and here it is. You can see the D15, the range which we mentioned. Let us check, verify whether that it has done that thing or not. What was the range? The range was D19, and D19 is this one. Okay, it means it should have this uh, compare worksheet. You can see that it has this compare worksheet also. Now we also have a switch here. Okay, so you can use that switch also. Let me first delete this again, and let us use a switch, which is the switch is called show. So once it is created, that will be opened automatically. You don't have to open it yourself. Okay, so I have deleted that jpg file. Now uh, let's run it again. Yes, you can see this. It is opened automatically, and this is D15. Let us change the range. Okay, let me again open this, and let us see. Let us find this one. This is D24, so I'll be changing the range D24. Okay, so I'll be again running this thing. Let me again close it. Now let's one second. Let's run this. As you can see, it is created, and this D24 is, where is this D24? The command name here is convert to Excel. So let us see whether it has done this thing or not. D24, yeah, this one. So you can see that this is very easy. It was very easy when we use this import Excel module. Okay. So I hope you would have find it very useful, and if you would have find it useful, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.